Gucci time. Hey guys, it's me Flo. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I make graphic design and digital art related videos. If you're interested in that, stay tuned. So today is the first video that is going to be the first video of my daily design challenge prompt. And I had mentioned this in my video on IGTV, if you have happened to see that. Essentially, I'm going to be doing a daily design challenge every day for a whole month. And I'm inviting you guys to join along with me and challenge your design skills. And you never know, you may just improve your design skills in 30 days. Yes, 30 days, but you're doing something every day to challenge yourself, and I'm pretty sure you'll see some improvements in your graphic design skills and your creativity. And essentially the design challenges are going to be between 25 minutes to 2 hours, and they're going to vary from app design, logo designing, branding, posters, you name it. I'm going to be putting it in there. And if you have any suggestions for challenges, you can put it down below and I can come up with something. And for today's challenge, the first challenge is redesigning Gucci's logo. Yes, Gucci. And essentially we're going to be having 45 minutes to design or redesign the logo. If you're going to join along with me, you can start your timer and I'll let you know when we'll be getting started. And essentially we're just going to redesign Gucci's logo. And you just want to make 2 redesigns, and you have 45 minutes, so maybe you can come up with something interesting. And so I'm gonna get started, and I got my Gucci glasses on because this is the only Gucci thing I got, so I can get into the Gucci vibe. And geez, it's actually really hot in here. And no, this is not from Gucci. It's actually from Dollarama, but it is swelteringly hot in my room. So anyways, let's get started with this challenge. And if you're joining with me, grab your phone and let's get this started and put the timer on for 45 minutes and let's see what we come up with. Alright, so I just got a timer on YouTube. You can use the same one I'm using, or you can use your phone, whatever you prefer. And essentially these challenges in general are also supposed to help with your time management, and so you can get more work done effectively as well. So for the first 5 minutes I'm just researching, and the next 5 to 10 minutes after that I'm going to be doing some brainstorming and sketching, and then for the final 30 minutes I'm going to be actually creating the digital comps on Illustrator. So you can do this if you want. It's up to you how you split up your time. And let's see what I come up with. Woo! This was more challenging than I thought. I mean, come on, it's Gucci. It's Gucci, come on now. It's an iconic brand, so it was difficult to decipher what I should do, what I should keep, how much I should change or not change. But this is what I essentially came up with in 45 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and comment below and let me know what you think. And if you want to see more of these type of videos, make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to be posting it daily now for each challenge, and I hope you guys join me. And if you guys do, please tag me at the designer Flo on my Instagram. I'd like to see what you guys come up with. Now you can do the same challenge. You don't have to do Gucci, you can do Versace, you could do whatever luxury brand you want. And yeah, it'd be cool to see what you guys come up with. Have a great day, guys.